Obviously, it's been a wild 12 months. So what is one of the genius marketing campaigns that you've seen in the last year?
Well, we're talking on, might as well be talking on Zoom. I actually think if you look at what Zoom has done, right, they've redefined a category in, I don't know, less than 12 months. I mean, it's not I'm getting on a video call. It's, hey, I have to hop on a Zoom, even if you're not really on a Zoom. So
Totally.
while that's not necessarily, kind of Madison Avenue, big media buys, like back to my previous point about like what are you doing to help sell more things to your organization, brilliant brand work by Zoom and creating a category defining product, full stop.
Yeah. And it makes me wonder how they did it because Teams existed, right? Blue Jeans existed, WebEx existed. So how
Yeah.
did Zoom come in the last 12 months and just completely change our vernacular and establish themselves as the category leader?
I mean, that's the question, right? And if you look kind of back over time, MP3s were a thing before the iPod, but we
Yeah.
all know it as the iPod, right? So it's this,
Yeah.
and I think back to your question about brilliant marketing, and that's a phenomenal um, ability to really understand a brand and the value that that brand brings for whoever is ultimately using that brand, and combined with that viral effect to really be able to get folks to start to think about it in terms of the solution. I think, and when it becomes inherently part of you, that's when the word Zoom comes out, not video conferencing, or that's when iPod comes out, not MP3 player.
Totally.